Good evening, friends. How are you all? As you all know that I'm making the very simple and easy videos on pronoms right now, and there's a playlist. Please, I recommend you to go to the playlist and watch how I have made the pronoms and what are the pronoms, why we use the pronoms, and we have already done some of the pronoms. So, in today's lesson, we will be doing pronoun ecrite. Before that, I recommend you again to go and look for my list. I already prepared the playlist for that for pronouns. We have already done pronoun sujet, pronoun cog, pronoun coi, pronoun tonic, and please, I request you to subscribe my channel because it gives me a lot of motivation so I can prepare more videos for you guys. Pronoun ecrite. Why we use pronoun ecrite? Pronoun ecrite we use to replace the place. If I want to say like you go to the market, we say yes, I go there, or we don't go there. That there is our pronoun ecrite, because we don't want to use the word market again and again. Just to replace that word market, we are using pronoun ecrite. And second thing, pronoun ecrite is also used to replace the imaginations or the abstract noun, like that which we can't touch. Even pronoun ecrite replaces those things also. There is a rule that we have to, like, preposition plus place is equal to pronoun ecrite. When the preposition is there plus any place is there, we can replace it with the pronoun ecrite. So let's start with pronoun ecrite. Here are the few examples and the illustrations with the help of which you can easily understand why and where we can use pronoun ecrite. In this slide, you will see that we are replacing pronoun ecrite in present tense. First sentence is tu vas au Japon. Preposition is there and the place is there. So we can replace it with pronoun ecrite. Tu y vas. You go there. Pronoun ecrite is replaced before the conjugated verb. Although all the verbs cod and coi also replaced before the conjugated verb, except pronotonic and pronoun sujet. Second sentence is vous habitez chez votre oncle. Chez is your preposition and your uncle. Although we are considering she as a preposition plus making as a place. If she is not underlined, then we can have to replace votre oncle with pronoun tonic. Vous y habitez. You stay there. It means there. Vous n'allez pas dans le parc. I made this sentence in negative so that you can easily understand in the one slide where in affirmative and in negative we can replace pronoun ecrite or cod and coi. They all are replaced before the conjugated verb. The answer is vous n'y allez pas. In this slide, you will see we can replace pronoun ecrite before the conjugated verb or the auxiliary verb, we say, not before the past participle. Past tense example like future anterior, wherever we are using our auxiliary verb avoir or être in the then past participle, then we have to replace pronoun ecrite, cod and coi before the auxiliary verb avoir or être. Like in this first sentence, tu es allé au Japon. Japan, our family, like preposition is there plus place is there. So we have to replace pronoun ecrite. Tu y es allé. We are replacing or we are placing ecrite before the conjugated verb. Second sentence, vous avez habité chez votre oncle. Again, the same sentence, like place is play. We are considering it as a place at your uncle's place. So we can replace it before the conjugated verb. That's auxiliary verb avoir. Vous y avez habité. Again, I made the sentence in negative to go in a one slide. Nous ne sommes pas allés dans le parc. Nous ne y sommes pas allés. In this slide, double verbs like future proche, passé récent, or present continuous action verbs, or whenever we are making like I would like to go, double verbs. So we have to replace it before the infinitive verb, not the conjugated verb. There is a rule that in passive composé, we have to replace it before the avoir or être auxiliary verbs, and in double verbs, the verb which is not conjugated, we have to replace before the infinitive verb. So let's see how. Tu vas aller au Japon. You are going to go to the Japan. Tu vas y aller. We are placing it before the infinitive verb. Second sentence. Vous aimez habiter chez votre oncle. You like to stay there. Nous ne venons pas de jouer dans le parc. We have not just played in the park. Dans is a preposition plus park is there. Therefore, we are replacing it before the infinitive verb. As I mentioned earlier also that there are some imaginatory or the thinking verbs are there. This is a list of the thinking verbs followed by a, ala apostrophe, aux. We can replace our abstract nouns with the pronoun ecrite. They all are make the examples with the thinking verbs. They are very much simple. Tu penses à tes vacances. You are thinking about your vacations. Vacations is an abstract noun. We cannot touch the vacation. Therefore, we can replace it with pronoun y. For example, we say, you think about your vacation. Yes, I think about it. That it is pronoun y here. Vous croyez à l'avenir. Avenir is your future. We cannot touch the future. Therefore, we are replacing with pronoun écrire. Vous vous intéressez à votre projet. Projet like future plans, anything which is not human being, which doesn't have any life. It's like à votre projet. Vous vous y intéressez. You are interested in that. Nous réfléchissons aux vacances. We are thinking or we have some memories in our mind about the vacations. Again, it will be replaced with your pronoun. I really request you, if you are liking my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. It gives me a lot of motivation to make more videos so that you can easily prepare for your DELF or TEF examinations. I hope I make the videos very simple and looking forward to meet you up again. Au revoir. Thank you. Bye bye.